Never made a budget before? Good. Here's the 20-minute first budget that will change your relationship with money. Write down your take-home pay, after taxes, after all deductions. This is your total monthly income, the number you actually work with. Don't use gross income. It's not real money you can spend. Rent/mortgage, car payment, insurance, phone, subscriptions. These don't change month to month. List them all. Total them up and subtract from income. Groceries, gas, eating out, entertainment, personal care. Look at last month's bank statement for real numbers. Most people discover they spend 2-3x what they thought on food. Income minus fixed minus variable equals what's left. If negative, you're overspending, identify the biggest category to cut. If positive, assign that money to savings or debt. Don't let it disappear. Download my first budget template at https://funbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.